Learning and using ultrasonic level sensors. We have here ultrasonic level sensor, and you can see this is the front face of ultrasonic level sensor. This is the label of a sensor. Scientific instruments make sensor. We have scientific instruments make, and at the back side of this we have a circular plate. This is, and this is the front side of sensor. See here at the back side of the sensor we have terminal connections for making connection, and we will open this back side by rotating it so that we can see the terminals. Now we can see control terminals of sensors. See here we have got 24-volt DC power up. This is the power up terminals of sensor, and beside it we have 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and there are two relay 1 and relay 2. So these are the terminals for connections, and for make and to power up this sensor we have 24-volt DC. So basically this ultrasonic level sensor has got one 4 to 20 milliampere output signal, and there are two relays which we can program for low and high level as per our requirement. This is the front face of sensor, and here we will open this plate. Now we can assess the terminals, basically keys of this front sensor. We have got four keys: menu, up, right keys, and enter key for selecting unit and making some changes such as relay settings and unit of measurement. This is the side of sensor. So basically I have shown you the ultrasonic level sensor in all ways, and at the side of the sensor we have got provision to make cable entry. This is the basically sensor signal point. Here ultrasonic rays are emitted from the sensor to sense the object. So this is how ultrasonic level sensors are made up of, and at the base we have a circular plate which is used for mounting the sensor, and this part we will use for making connections. This is side part. Now we have red and black wires which are DC 24-volt supply. So we will make entry of these cable wires from this hole, and now we will power up. Basically we will make connections 24-volt DC so that we can power up our sensor. So at the rightmost terminals we have 24-volt DC plus and minus terminals, and At the positive 24 volt DC, we will connect red wire, which is a 24 volt DC supply, positive. And the black wire is DC common, which will be connected to minus 24 volt DC. In this way, we have connected the supplied terminals 24 volt DC. Now, now we can power up the sensor. See, we have power up the sensor, and this is showing 0.34 meter level from the base, which it is sensing, and it is 7% empty, because the range of the sensor is by default 5 meters. So this is showing two things. It is level in percentage and meters. Now it is 0.4. We are moving up and down, and presently this is sensing the base of our table. And see here, when we move up and down, this distance, sensing distance changes. Now we will once more power up. See here, after powering up, this is showing blind, because 0.3 meter is a blind distance. This it cannot measure, because so we are moving it upwards, and I have marked the scale in our whiteboard. Now it is showing 0.4 meter. You can see here, when we are moving our sensor upwards, correspondingly the distance increases in the display. So this is how it works. Thank you.